guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by hitting on the bell icon below and get more updates on more interesting recipes and home cooking from the Northeast. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a cereal out of corn. We grow lots and lots of corn in our region, and after rice and millet, corn is our staple food as well. So today I'm gonna show you how to make cereal out of corn. Cereal and corn, does it sound like a Western concept? Yes, it does, but traditionally we've been growing corns for generations and we've been making cereal out of it. You will be surprised at the number of varieties of corn that is grown in this region. There are about 12 varieties of different corn. Look what I found while raiding my mom's corn storage. Look at this particular corn. Doesn't it look like a very happening corn? It's very colorful. It has multicolors. It's purple, white and pink and whatnot. And the other one, yes, it looks like baby corn, but it is a full-grown corn and it's supposed to be very delicious. I'm not gonna cook these corns. They are too cute to be cooked. I'm gonna take them back to Chennai and try and grow them there. So I'm gonna make use of a different variety of corn. All we need are some corn and some sugar if you're not too health conscious. Or you can make use of honey or mash in some bananas for sweetness. Now let's peel some corn. They are ready to be roasted, and make sure that you roast them till they are crunchy and be careful not to burn them. Do not roast the entire batch together. You can roast 2 to 3 handfuls at a time. Make sure that you keep stirring until it turns golden brown. Some of them might even pop, but don't worry about it, it's alright. It's browning. Looks like it's ready. Let's take it off the flame and allow it to cool. All we need to do now is pound them. You can pound them to coarse powder or to fine powder. It's up to you. So I'm gonna hand pound them, as there has been no electricity in my house because of some short circuit that happened. So I'm gonna hand pound them. Make sure that you cover your hands if you're using a mortar and pestle because it will fly away. Oops! Too late. This is the best consistency that I could grind it to. You guys better use the mixer grinder. It's a lot easier. Cereal is ready. You can have it as such. If you like it sweet, you can add sugar to it. Or you can have it as a cereal with milk. Or as I like it, with red tea. Perfect.